Welcome back to the Arizona Daily Mix. Your family's health is the most important matter, and so it's time to check in with Daisy Family Health to see how they can help out with this. And Johnny Taylor with me and Angela Davis from Daisy Family. How are you two doing today?
Doing very well. How are you, Brett?
Doing great. Let's talk a little background about Daisy Family Health and what you guys are all about.
Daisy Family Health is a small direct primary care clinic, and what that means is you pay us a monthly fee, affordable monthly fee, and you get unlimited visits throughout the year. And we're primary care. We put a twist to it where we offer a lot of natural options as well.
Yeah, which we were noticing that some of the big companies don't offer the way that people need it. And that's why it's nice to come to someone like Daisy Family Health, that it's not going to get, I'm not going to knock them, but not lost, but you kind of like have to go through all these steps and everything to get there. And that's where you guys come in, because as we're moving out of this pandemic, people are needing to know other health options they have, and that's where you guys come in.
Absolutely. So we're what's called a direct primary care, or DPC, which means you have a closer relationship with the provider, and that provider would be Angela. And so you spend that time with the provider, unlike going to some of these other offices where you sit and wait 45 minutes, then you go to the back and wait another 20 to 30 minutes, and you get a couple of minutes with the doctor. With a nurse practitioner and Daisy Family Health, that whole time you spend with her. If your appointment is at 2 o'clock, by 2:05 or 2:10, you're back there with her. And it's a unique way. We do some homeopathy, some naturopathy. We do injections, vitamin infusions, men's health, women's health. So we do a whole variety of things here at our clinic.
Yeah, and Angela, you just, of course, are very important as a nurse practitioner. And I'm going to get in trouble a little bit for this because I know we have our doctors, but you're kind of like the front line for doctors. You're the first one to talk with the patients and stuff. So you're kind of like right there for letting the doctors know we're going. And that's why it's important to come see someone like you.
Yeah, I think so. We have that nursing model, and so we look at the patient holistically, and so I think that's really important.
Yeah.
And time.
And what's also understanding is that we're seeing doctors who are now retiring or not having their office anymore, and people are going like, oh no, where do I go now? And I'm going to get lost in the system and everything, because as you said, sometimes with the overwhelming of new offices and everything, you might not get able to see what you need to be seen, and that's where you guys come in.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So we have a very warm clinic. It's really small, but it's warm, it's friendly, it's family oriented, and so we do treat our members and patients like they're our family.
Yeah, and that's the thing too. People are looking for that small, nice, intimate family type feeling to make them feel better, because I think sometimes it can be overwhelming going to the hospital and then going into the doctor's buildings and stuff like that.
Absolutely.
So smaller clinics. Let's talk about some of the things that you specialize, that you're seeing right now with people coming out of the pandemic and what are needed in health-wise.
We always like to focus on prevention, and so even before the pandemic, we were pushing taking your vitamin C, zinc, and vitamin infusions. During the pandemic, everybody had a panic, right? So everybody was coming for all those options. Now that things are backing off, I'm trying to get everybody back in and get their labs done just to make sure everything's okay and get back on track if they fell off from their high blood pressure or something like that.
Angela, you said it right there, prevention. And I'll tell you right now, I'm bad at it, where I wait until I get sick, to go see somebody when I should be going in for those checkups, because those checkups aren't bad. Those checkups are actually really good, so the doctor can say, great, you're doing well, or let's take a look at this before I do get sick. And that's what you guys really want people to come into this clinic and do.
Absolutely.
Yes.
Prevention is so important. With your membership, you do get a set of 4 labs that are free with your membership. And with those basic set of labs, though, it gives her a really good idea of how you take care of yourself, whether you exercise and diet, whether you drink a ton of soda, whether you eat at every burger joint on the way between here and work and home. Those 4 little tests actually help her determine that. Yeah. And it's all about prevention. The best time to come is when you're not sick, is when you're healthy and feeling good, because you never know what's going on inside.
Yeah, and again, it's time now to get back in those labs. So if you are someone who's, I could say, maybe having trouble with wait time, it's great to give a call to Daisy Family Health to get you back on track to going different ways.
Exactly.
Angela, give one tip to people out there right now who are a little hesitant about going and seeing you or seeing someone, and what they can do before they get there.
Do your research about us. We, like Johnny said, we're warm, we're people, and we love. And so research about it. You're going to fall in love when you come in. I don't know what it is about me. I get people crying, and we're back there for about an hour just enjoying each other. But do your research. You'll see videos on me talking about a lot of healthcare things, and it could be annoying to people, but some people love it.
Yeah, that's important right there, which is good. Okay, tell them where they can find out more about Daisy Family Health.
So at Daisy Family Health, you can go to our website, daisyfamilyhealth.com. We're on social media, so we're on Instagram, Facebook. We're just kind of all over the place, just to kind of let people know that you have an alternative to the standard.
There it is. Thank you two for joining us.
Thank you so much.
Definitely a pleasure.